My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way.
Hey love, it's been a couple of days, so let's go ahead and get into another video. If you are new here, my name is Toni. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So as y'all can see here, we have got a beautiful unit. No mousse, no glue, no spray, no nothing at all, baby. Nothing at all. Okay, so let's get into it. But first, let me just say it is Wine and Wig Wednesday. So grab your glass of wine so we can go ahead and get into this tutorial, okay? So if you have been here, then you should already know by now that I work with LUVME Hair a lot. And this video, of course, is no different. So shouts out to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video. They never disappoint, you guys. Absolutely never disappoint. And when I say they show, they tell on this unit here. This unit was absolutely amazing. So let's get into the construction of it. This is a deep C parted wig. So I flipped it inside out so that you can see this deep C curve part goes all the way to the middle of your head. So when you are putting this unit on, it's gonna have that beautiful deep side part. The 4C edges, like, do y'all see the edges on here? So the 4C, like hyperrealism edges, are meant to give that very natural, realistic look along the hairline. So as you can see, this is a 5x5 unit, which I'm gonna be honest, it looks bigger than a 5x5, but it has that natural 4C hairline along the entire front of the hairline. You've got your clips on both sides, which my hand is covering up one of them, but then you have one in the bottom as well, along with an adjustable strap that you can, of course, make tighter or loosen up. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what it's giving. When I put my wigs on, I always like to put my elastic band on first, secure it around the bottom, and then I pull the rest of my unit down, adjust that back clip first to make sure the positioning is comfortable, and then I just kind of maneuver it along the front of my hairline to make sure that it's in place. So this is straight out of the box. Straight out of the box, this is what the hair is giving. Like I said, it's got that beautiful deep C curve part. And again, I'm pointing out the natural edges on this hairline here. Absolutely stunning. So by the time that you get done and you trim that lace off, sweetheart, it's going to be beautiful. This is giving fresh blow dried hair, right? Like, did y'all see that? I loved how the texture of this hair was. It had beautiful movement. It was very nice and airy. Like, overall, the hair itself, top-notch quality, like grade A quality there. So as you can see here, I'm just trimming off the lace so I can see exactly what this hairline is going to give. So let me go ahead and zoom in and show y'all, okay? Nothing has been applied to this hair. Like I said, no mousse, no glue, no spray. Literally, I am taking my rat tail comb, I'm talking too fast. I'm taking my rat tail comb and lifting this up, and it is no product, nothing at all. So please understand, you could wear this wig just as it is, just in this blow dried state as is, and be absolutely phenomenally beautiful. I'm just saying. But I'm gonna go ahead and straighten mine out. I am only putting this band, y'all, my husband, so rude of him. He didn't even realize I was recording. I put the band on only because I wanted to hold it in place, because had I not had anything on my hair to like hold it in place while I straightened it, then it would have been sliding all over the place. But I just want to reiterate, I did not put any kind of product on here. I'm just using the band as a security feature while I flat iron it. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here for a moment and just go ahead and finish flat ironing my hair. And then I'm gonna come back and explain the very few and minimal steps that I did in order to finish off the look of this unit. So 2 quick and easy steps that I did to go ahead and tie this look together is I took my wax stick, which I always take my wax stick at the top of my hair, especially if it's straight hair or anything like that. I don't want those flyaways, so I do that to smooth out the hair. And then next, I'm just defining my part with a little bit of concealer. Now, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I was a little lazy. I was like 2 steps away from getting my brush, and I could have just put my concealer on my brush. So as you can see, my part is all crazy. So easy fix. I always keep like a quick little color stick corrector in my collection of things so that I can easily fix situations like this. I'm just taking a little bit of my color correcting stick and doing right along that hairline to color over top of that additional concealer that I put on. So let me take a sip of this wine, baby, before I show y'all this wig. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, I'm in love with this unit. I mean, from the 4C textured hairline to the deep C part. And even though I flat ironed this hair, it's still giving that voluminous body from just the texture of the hair itself. So hands down, absolutely amazing. LUVME Hair, you guys have done it again per the usual. Make sure you guys check out this unit. It will be in the description box below along with a coupon code. So if you like this video and you really thought that it was a vibe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you've been here before, then you already know what's coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well so you can see when the videos are dropping. But I will catch you guys on the next video. Until next time, love. Bye.